Assalamualaikum. My name is Faisal Badshah and our presentation is on business plan in which I describe the business idea. Our business plan is a digital marketing agency. It is a creative digital agency that offer a full range of creative and a digital marketing services worldwide. We also provide IT solution for our customers. Digital marketing is gaining popularity among the entrepreneur, marketer and customers. Digital marketing is essential to the growth of any company in this age and is regardless of the kind of products or services they offer using digital marketing with the mode of marketing continually evolving. We provide different services like social media appearance, digital marketing, website development, e-commerce development, graphic designing, and so on. Thank you so much.
Problems and proposed solution. Finding a problem is very easy, but grapple with its solution is difficult. We will work with small and medium-sized businesses, and for that, we will make sure that in every meeting they improvise us by sharing their experience with us and with our services. The first problem that we might face would be understanding the business. It is very important to map the target audience and understand the buyer persona. If we are unable to understand the target audience and buyer persona, then there is no point in saying that we are doing a digital marketing. The very first step in solving this problem is to have a brainstorming session with the client, because that will help in understanding their business, because nowadays they do not meet. They finish everything on the phone call and that saves time, but we may suffer a low relationship in future. The second is trend. Again, is a best and a worst part of digital marketing. There is always an upcoming trend by search engine or social media channel. It is indeed difficult to cope up with it, because that is where we suffer an increase in work and get paid low. How can we solve this problem is by sending a trend alert to our clients and tell them to decide whether they need a change in their work or they want to continue with the same. The third is lead generation and response time. One customer inquired 20 companies, takes quotation and finalize with one. This will demotivate the agencies, because people call by morning and ask for the quotation within 30 minutes. Where there's a challenge to have a batch of timely delivery, very responsive from the customer, but most of the time thinking of this will rush the quotation by doing minimal analysis, which will affect the agency. The best way to deal with this problem is to take time in analyzing and then offer the quotation. Thus, it is also very important to be very clear in the deliverables and with the cost estimation. The last is customer retention. Every agency has a problem in offering customer-centric approach or to satisfy the customer. Always it take time in working more and more in satisfying them. To solve this problem, the best way is not to promise, but also the lead generation following in the backend. The best example is Amazon. They say it may take 7 days but will deliver in 3 days. It will be like under promise and over delivery, being in no unnecessary pressure.
Assalamualaikum. Now I am going to cover our unique selling point and our competitive advantage. Basically, our unique selling point is we take complete responsibility for our customers, business planning, implementation, development to get maximum output for our client business marketing strategies. And we provide dedicated support to our customers 24/7 in positive manner. And we develop complex business website for our clients, design development and design development websites. Our promise is our sole aim is to make customer happy by offering them best service experience that they never had experienced before. And our competitive advantages is competitive advantages lie in the power of our human resources workforce. We put our best in providing quality service to our customers to make them happy. We put our service are measurable, result driven, and quality focused. We take care of our employees well. We all behave like a family. We put our best in providing quality service to our customers. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, and my name is Muhammad Adil, and my topic is target market audience and the market segmentation. In target market audience, we target the people and organization जिन्हें हम अपनी services provide करेंगे, like entrepreneur, corporate organization, branding and advertising agencies, and the contractor as well, and real estate agencies as well. ये सब वो हैं चीज़ें हैं जिन्हें हम अपनी सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करेंगे अपने बिजनेस में. एंड द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड, मार्केट सेगमेंटेशन. There are 4 types of market segmentation. The first one is demographic. In our demographic segmentation is usually for both male and female, and is for any aged person and teenagers as well. इसमें age matter नहीं करेगी, and their income is doesn't matter in our services. And the second one is geographic segmentation. Sector is based not only in Pakistan but all over the global, especially like developed countries and businesses countries like China, Russia, and USA as well. And the third one is psychographic segmentation. In psychographic segmentation implements on business minded people to adopt the offering of branding and packaging, and helping them to sell their product and services. And the last one is the value segmentation. In value segmentation, we discovered the clients on this enterprise by producing amount of advertising to approach the interact with customer. Thank you.
Product is an important part of the 4 Ps. The aspects of the product remain same whether it's traditional or digital marketing. Nowadays, people knows what are their requirements, so the businesses are describing their products very clearly. The presentation of the product has changed in the digital world. In the digital world, you don't have to visit any store physically to buy any product. People now are buying products online instead of physically going anywhere. Every information about those particular products are available on the internet. In this way, the products can be also available for the larger audience. During shopping, pricing is an important aspect of every customer. In order to avail a better deal, now you don't have to visit any store physically. Due to the tough competition, the businesses can get their prices changed after getting feedback from sales, deals or other promotional activities around the product. Due to the digital marketing, they can make changes on the go. For the promotion of your products in the digital era, articles, blogs and content is provided so the people can get educated and the chances of selling the product gets higher. In the end, the marketing method can be changed with digital marketing, but the fundamentals remains the same.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abiyali and today my topic is about service design and development plan. I'll further on telling you some of the opportunities which you'll be getting if you choose our e-commerce services. The first opportunity is the best of the search engines. Our company is having the best of the search engines. Our search engines are designed in such a way that it will be having the complete huge database of the all over the products. Our search engine will first discover, then sort out, and then show you the complete information of the product which you are willing to have. The second opportunity is the software house. Our company just do not only give the e-commerce services, but it also provides our self-made softwares to our customers. The third opportunity is targeting large audience. If a seller or if a salesperson is selling a product, he or she is bounded to a specific territory. But if it comes to e-commerce services, and especially to our e-commerce services, as we are international e-commerce services, so the seller is now having a huge territory and he or she is not bounded by any of the boundaries. The fourth opportunity is marketing strategies. We are linked with some of the best banks, and if you choose our e-commerce services and if you buy anything from our e-commerce services through those bank cards, so you'll be having a great discount. The fifth opportunity is 12 months a year. As due to the current situation, such as COVID-19, many of the shopkeepers and many of the businesses suffered a huge loss. But the person or the companies who were in linked with e-commerce still suffered due to as they were having some of the extra income as the shop were closed, but the online services were still in use. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum ma'am. My name is Mohammad Faidan and my topic is challenge and risk. As we all know that the digital marketing has changed every aspect of a marketing world, especially in the COVID-19. The digital marketing has faced many challenges and risks. The biggest challenge of digital marketing is the potential customers. In digital marketing agency, we have to attract and acquire the customers, which is very difficult because of the competition and crowded market. The second biggest challenge is the scaling the business. Scaling the business includes the maintaining service delivery performance of the company, which is play an important role in the company reputation. If the scale of a business go negative, it will impact the business negatively. After scaling the business, the customer relationship is the third biggest challenge. We have to maintain our customer relationship. As our new customers come, we forget the relationship of the old customers, which can create a negative impact on our customer mindset. Adopting our new technologies is also be the biggest challenge for digital marketing agencies because technology is changed day by day. Company may face difficulties in SEO, influencer marketing and other things. They should hire the freelancers and application managers. Thank you ma'am, this is all from my side.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Kiran Latif and today we are going to discuss what our market size is. So when you are developing market strategies, we all get to know how to figure out what market size is. If we get to know what our market size is, we should pay off our business in a big way. The market size of digital marketing is very big. It works globally. As we all know, market size of any company will always be fluctuate. It will not be the same all the time. But if we talk about our business market, the size of the company, the size of the digital market is always grows up in every year. Because we can update our technologies time to time so that customer will always get update with new things. The market sizing of a competition section of a business plan is critical. It's not only constructing to the audience how big your potential is as a company, but if also one of the key drivers of financial plans, so you are really have to go spend a lot of time over here. Beyond all this, a lot of people underestimate just how much service matters to customer. If you demonstrate that you are willing to go the extra mile to keep customers happy, then you will keep to able draw it in a lot of business. And most importantly, if your customers are telling you what they want from your company, from your business, then you should listen to them. After all, your customers are your market. You will be able to grow your market size in a big way if your customers if you are show interest to your customer. So it will help you to grow your market size globally.
My name is Yusha Tagi and today I'll be telling you about key success factors. If we talk about key success factors, it is divided or defined into three parts: website, branding and video making. If we talk about website plays an important role in our digital marketing. It also helps in increasing our sales as it provides a backbone to our online and offline businesses, which includes brochures, online advertising, marketing and news announcement of our businesses. If we talk about branding plays an important role as it helps in designing logo, color scheme, which helps in grabbing our customers' attention. We can also present our brand through advertising campaigns. And the last, video making. If we talk about video making, in the days of a smartphone, free editing software have made our life so easier that it can help in promoting our brands, as video can be embedded on our website and YouTube can play an important role in making our video viral. Thank you.
Our next topic is the operation plan, and by the way, my name is Oscar Rodriguez and my registration number is 39113. So the most important thing when doing business is to get your operations strategy correct. So in the beginning, we'll be operating with a general approach because we are a new agency, and in order to get the things right, we have to get a operations balance. We will also be trying delivering the superior customer experience because this is the most important thing, and when a customer has a bad experience, he will definitely not be giving us business in the future. So we will have to be getting an operations set in the beginning so that we can deliver the best and possible customer experience. We will also be trying to we will also try to help our customers to select select the best marketing tool for them which is required for the business, and we will also monitor, track and manage our marketing investments so that we can get resources in the correct possible manner. And we don't have any physical location at the moment because all of our customers are dealt physically, sorry, not physically, they are dealt digitally. So but in future, if we have a strong customer base, so we will definitely be getting physical offices like in cities like Karachi, Lahore, etc. Thank you so much.
The financial position of a company is at this screen. You can see it is a plan for your future prediction of your business and on the records of your company, cash in and out, etc. On the next slide, you can see the balance sheet of our company, fixed assets, services, sources of funding, and cash in hand on our you can say that our owners or chairmans. This is the balance sheet that represents all the spendings, all the funds that we are getting, all loans, everything. It's been recorded. Is initial. Proceeding to cash flow statement, it gives you the statement of per month or year. At the end of year, that what you are paying, that what you are generating, cash balance was, and what's your cash balance at the end of the month or year. You can see that we gave the pages the month or our office expenses and others. Proceeding to sales and services chart, it includes the quarterly bars. You can see on the screen that Q1 to Q4 that it's expanding at the end of the year. Proceeding to end the. Thank you.